Hello and welcome to another episode of mobilestechland.com. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make sure new contacts are always saved to your Google account. Most of you know that all of your contacts are automatically saved to your Google account. But you need to make sure that the contacts are actually being saved. If you are using a Pixel or an Android One device, all contacts are automatically saved to your Google account. But if you are using a Samsung device, all of your contacts are not automatically saved to Google, but they are saved to Samsung's account by default. If you want your new contacts to be backed up to your Google account, you need to switch from Samsung to Google account. So let me show you how to do that on your Samsung phone. Open Contacts from the app drawer. Hit the plus account at the right corner to add a new contact. In the contact creation window, select the menu at the top. Choose Google to save new contacts to your Google account automatically. Thanks a lot for watching. I hope this short video helped. If it did help, don't forget to hit the like button and comment below and let me know if this helped, and also let me know if you have any problems related to any smartphone, and I will get back to you with a new video. So that's it for today. Have a nice day and goodbye.